Well, hello to all my wonderful YouTube fans. How are you doing today? Well, thank you so much for tuning in today's awesome vlog. Curious on what I'm doing today, I'm going to talk to you about my brand new future desktop computer build in 2018 to replace the old eMachine desktop computer over there, basically. The problem is I can't use Windows 10 on this old beast right over here. Basically, it's running Windows 7. It's also a AMD system. You can also use Intel's platform if you choose. It's all up to you, whatever platform you want to use, should I say. But I've been doing a lot of research on 3 different websites: Amazon, Newegg, and also DriverDuck.com's website for different computer component prices and how much each of things are going to cost to build this brand new desktop computer in 2018. Here's the case I'm going to be using. It has to fit over here. Okay, it has to be a mini tower, it cannot be a full-size computer. Alright, here is the power supply, the motherboard, here's the processor, Pentium, here's the RAM, here's a DVD bundle drive. I can also get that later on. The same thing with the card reader, hard drive, a copy of Windows 10, and basically you can customize a PC however you choose. But the biggest problem when you have a stock computer like my laptop or the eMachine computer over there, you are only stuck with certain types of components you can use in these pre-built systems. And building your own can also help you to figure out what component works with what. And you find out, it's like, does it work, does it not work? You just gotta try it and figure it out, but don't waste a lot of time and energy and money into building a computer, should I say. Do the research, do your homework, and just find a way how you want that system to look like. Now, the reason why I'm going to do with a smaller tower over here is because that's the only thing that can fit on the dresser over here where my TV is. Well, but yeah, that's basically some awesome updates about the future computer in 2018, should I say. But again, it all depends on how much you own and how much you like as well, basically. But alright, if you guys and girls are also joining this channel, please hit that subscribe button, leave an awesome comment down below. Please like, peace out, we'll hopefully see you in the future vlog. Alright, catch you later. Have fun building computers.